Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is all about what I ate in Singapore. So let's begin. So day 1 was super basic. We got down at 8 a.m. in Singapore and grabbed quick breakfast at KFC in Changi Airport. Honestly, menu is quite different, but I had pancakes for breakfast. They were yum, by the way. For lunch, we had some chicken popcorn from KFC again and tried prawns biryani, which we ordered from Grab app, which I don't have for it, so sorry. Next day, we had some fruits for our breakfast because it was super hard to find good food that suits our taste buds, and Indian food is quite expensive in the area we were living, so it was like $4 for one roti, which is 200 rupees per one roti. Like, damn. For lunch, we have come to explore Universal Studios, so had our lunch at Malaysian Food Street. There were so many food stalls, but there's only one stall which doesn't serve pork, and it has rice, roti, sort of a meal. Like out of 20 stalls, but just one has chicken and stuff. So we had some rice, roti and chicken curry for lunch. We had our snacks at McDonald's and are heading out to some place else for shopping. So yeah, let's see what we get to eat in for lunch. And we're going to I think Little India now, so I'll take you guys along. So we are in Kailash Parbat restaurants in Little India. So there are a lot of restaurants here, but this is like a well-known thing, so we have come here. And we've ordered veg hakka fried rice and veg hakka noodles, and we asked them to do spicy, and they're like really spicy. And by the way, this is a veg restaurant, guys, and it's really good, spicy, and it's so good. So if you are in Singapore, then you should definitely try Kailash Parbat for some yummy food. We're having this. Tummy is so happy. Guys, you can find everything here, from food and or even the grocery store. You can get everything that's Indian over here. Next day, we went to Domino's Pizza and had some amazing pizza brunch, so breakfast and lunch together. So this is the day we explored Buggy's street shopping, and we thought why not check out street food as well, and it was the worst decision I have ever took. So we ate at this place called Little Red Dot at Buggy Street, ordered some chicken fried rice and prawns fried rice, and instead we got some pork and all sorts of seafood and half-cooked prawns. Like, worst decision ever. Again, we went to our Airbnb and ate some Domino's pizza for dinner, so yeah. This is our final day in Singapore, and we found our Indian breakfast. Actually, South India. Here's the menu. You have idli, dosa and all that. Oh my god, found it at the final day basically. I'll show you the name of it. This is in Little India here in Singapore. The lunch, they have lunch also. Wow. Okay. Finally, South Indian meal. Here it is. It's A to B veg restaurant. You'll get everything from snacks, from lunch, dinner, breakfast and everything, even the sweets and stuff, so you should definitely check this out. So our last dinner at Singapore, we had some chicken at Burger King and called it a day. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. See you next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.